Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Future of AI, Emerging Trends and What's Next for Developers. Imagine creating software that doesn't just follow instructions, but actually learns, creates, and solves problems on its own. That's the power of AI. Forget sci-fi robots taking over. Think of AI as incredibly powerful tools that you, as a developer, will learn to wield. Today, we're looking at the cutting edge, what's next, and how you can be a part of building it. At its core, AI is about making computers mimic human intelligence, things like learning from data, making decisions, and solving problems. Think of it like teaching a very smart puppy new tricks. As developers, we don't make the puppy. We train it with data, like treats and commands, and then use its new skills in our applications. We write the code that connects our app to these smart brains. Remember when software just processed information? Now, AI can create it. This is generative AI. It's like having a super talented assistant who can write code snippets, design website layouts, generate marketing text, or even create images, all based on a simple prompt from you. As a developer, you'll be using APIs, like plugging into a ready-made service, to tell these AIs what to create and then integrate their output directly into your apps. Imagine building an app that drafts emails or designs logos for users automatically. Beyond just creating, what if AI could act? Enter AI agents. Think of them as intelligent personal assistants who can not only understand what you want but can also break down a task. Use various tools, like searching the web, sending emails, or running code, and execute a plan to achieve a goal. For developers, this means building systems where AI components don't just generate text but orchestrate complex workflows. You'll be defining goals for these agents and giving them access to tools, effectively building autonomous problem-solving systems. Sometimes, an AI makes a decision, and we wonder, why? Explainable AI, XAI, is all about transparency. It's like a doctor explaining why they gave a certain diagnosis, instead of just saying, "Trust me." For developers, XAI is crucial for building trust, debugging AI models, and ensuring fairness. You'll learn techniques to understand how an AI reached its conclusion, which is vital for critical applications like healthcare or finance, and helps you improve the AI's performance. Until recently, most powerful AI needed a huge data center, the cloud, to run. Edge AI brings that intelligence directly to your device, your phone, a drone, or even a smart sensor. Think of your phone using AI to recognize faces instantly, without sending data to the internet. As a developer, this means optimizing AI models to run efficiently on smaller, less powerful hardware. It opens doors for applications with more privacy, faster responses, and offline capabilities. You'll learn to shrink and deploy AI where the action is. So, what does this mean for you? You don't need to be a theoretical AI scientist. Your superpower will be connecting these powerful AI tools to real-world problems. Learn Python, the most popular language for AI. Understand how to use APIs for services like generative AI, and explore AI frameworks. Start building small projects. The future isn't about replacing developers with AI. It's about empowering developers to build more intelligent, creative, and impactful applications. From crafting code with AI to creating truly intelligent agents, the future of development is intertwined with AI. These trends aren't just buzzwords. They are new tools and paradigms that will redefine what software can do. Embrace the learning journey, experiment, and prepare to build the next generation of applications that don't just compute, but truly understand and interact with the world. Your impact as an AI-enabled developer will be immense. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.